Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you my 6 most favorite grocery shopping hacks. Believe me, I know being a mom can be exhausting, it's all consuming. There never seems to be enough time in the day to get everything done, and that is one of the reasons why I love shopping at Walmart Canada, who is sponsoring this video today because they have everything we need all in one spot and it's budget friendly. I also love how Walmart Canada is supporting my local food bank and the network of food banks all across Canada through their Fight Hunger Spark Change campaign. I know these grocery shopping hacks were a huge time saver for me when I was a young mom with young children, and they still are today now that my girls are more grown up. The annual Fight Hunger Spark Change campaign goal is to provide 13 million meals to families all across Canada through the food bank network, and I for one am really excited and honored to help support this goal today. So I'm right here at my local Walmart doing a grocery shop for our family, and I want to show you some really easy hacks on how to make grocery shopping simple when you're a busy mom like me, plus some simple ways that I can donate to my local food bank with the help of Walmart. Let's go. Grocery shopping hack number 1 is make a loose meal plan. You can make a meal plan on your mobile device, you can make it on your computer, you can actually write it down on a piece of paper, and I actually have this free printable meal plan sheet, and I will leave a link to it in the description box below if you want to get one for yourself. So I basically just choose 5 or 6 suppers every day of the week, and I don't necessarily do Monday supper on Monday. I switch it up if I feel like it. So it's just a loose meal plan, just giving me all of the meal ideas, and then we make whatever meal we feel like on each day. Don't forget to add snacks to your meal plan. My girls love to snack on the Bear Paws crackers, and you can also buy them to support the local food bank at Walmart. I'm really grateful to be able to make a meal plan and shop with our family, while so many hardworking families can't do this. And this is where Walmart is making a difference by partnering with Food Banks Canada. And it's really easy to donate to the food bank in store or online. And the funds raised with Walmart Canada's match up to $820,000 stays local to support food banks. Grocery shopping hack number 2, have a list and stick to it. And this really helps you keep on a budget, and it also helps save time. So I usually put our list on my phone. We have it on just a Google Doc, so both me and my husband can access it. So depending on who has more time that week, they can shop for groceries. But you could also write it down, and it's basically just based off of your meal plan for that week. Don't forget to add a food bank donation to your list so you can buy a couple non-perishable food items, drop one off to the food bank donation bin at Walmart after you shop. It's really easy. There's a bin just by the door in our store. And just so you know, the most needed food bank items to add to your list are pasta and pasta sauces, canned and frozen meats, meat alternatives, canned goods, dairy, canned vegetables and fruit, whole grain cereals, infant foods, bathroom tissues and diapers, and personal hygiene products. And I'll leave all that list in the description box below, just in case you want to add that to your grocery shopping list and make a donation. Grocery shopping hack number 3, grab simple pre-cooked ingredients. So these are things like canned beans, instant rice, rotisserie chicken, things that are already pre-cooked for you so you don't have to do that much work. It just makes your mom life a lot less stressful if you have some of these in your arsenal during the week. Canned foods are also great food bank donations, and you can drop them off at that donation bin located inside your local Walmart Canada store. Hack number 4 is don't forget freezer favorites. They last longer, they're easy to prep, they're still nutritious. We love to grab a bag of vegetables, just kind of the California vegetable style vegetables. You can also grab things like hash browns, frozen veggies, and meats and store them in your freezer. So I like to use our frozen vegetables for stir fries, for really simple chicken pot pies and shepherd's pies and things like that. Hack number 5 is shop at off hours. Do your grocery shopping during non-peak hours, so avoid weekend afternoons. If you can, shop in the early morning or late at night if you work during the day. I love that my Walmart is open from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. so I can pop in for my grocery shop late at night when there are fewer people and after I work and tuck in my kids. And if you are like me, you know that shopping alone is a treat when you're a busy mom. Hack number 6 is order your groceries online. So Walmart offers online grocery pickup, and you can even donate to your local food bank as you place your order by purchasing select products and brands that are participating in the campaign, or just add 1, 2, or a $5 donation to your shopping cart. Shop any time of the day. Walmart.ca is open 24 hours. Walmart also provides financial donations to food banks to improve their infrastructure, like the purchase of additional refrigerators to store fresh groceries and refrigerated trucks to pick up more donations, and much needed funds to expand loading docks to receive more delivery trucks to the food bank so they can increase their distribution efforts. I personally love that funds raised in Alberta stay within Alberta and support our local Alberta food banks. Good job. Listen.
Thank you. Want to round up your total to
please.
Support the food banks today.
Yes, thank you.
Perfect.
Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed these 6 grocery shopping hacks. Let me know in the comments below which of these hacks was your favorite, or if you have some other hacks that you've used in the past that you want to share with us. I'm sure we'd all love to know your tricks. Thanks again to Walmart Canada for sponsoring this video and for making it so easy for me to shop for my family for groceries and everything that we need all in one place, with their long hours, with their budget-friendly prices, and with their selection. Now I want you to join me as we fight to end hunger. Don't forget to support the Fight Hunger Spark Change campaign. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the supporting products you can purchase at your local Walmart Canada. I know I want to support all of the families in my community, all of those hardworking moms, all of those children, by donating food and money to support the food bank network in Canada. Thanks again for watching this video. Thanks again to Walmart for sponsoring this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more DIY decor and lifestyle videos, and I'll see you all again in the next video. Bye!